Alright, well, somebody in a previous video had mentioned my audio levels being a bit low, so I tried to tweak them and let me know if they're better or worse. And let me see if further tweaking needs to be done. But for this video, I have the last in the Amazon pantry food items that I purchased. Nature's Bakery blueberry. Last time was peach. This time it's blueberry. The very last one because I ate them. I'm bad, I know. That should make for an easy review, though, right? So what it looks like. Same as the inside. It's not blue or anything, so let's just get into it. I do like this one better than I like the peach apricot. But the same thing applies. If nobody, I mean, if this box didn't tell me that it was blueberry, I wouldn't have been able to tell you that it was blueberry based on just taste testing alone. So the flavor, whether it's artificial or natural, maybe it's just me, but I wouldn't be able to tell that it was blueberry. So this is gonna get a 7. Obviously, I liked them. I finished them. It's gonna get a 7 out of 10 for me. This is Nature's Bakery Fig Bar Blueberry, real fruit and whole grains. Last of my Amazon pantry purchases. And yeah, this will be my last video for a little bit. So I hope you're doing well and have a good weekend. I lost my train of thought there.